Have you ever known someone doesn't like to watch a movie? With this new generation and high-tech world, everyone has easy access to watch movies. Welcome back to our channel. Rosie with you and Edsa from Couples Wanderlust. Everyone has always wanted to watch movies, either action, drama, horror, comedy, historical, documentary, or sci-fiction. But you aware which the filming locations of your most favorite movies? Or you have simply wondered where did they film that movies? With many popular Hollywood blockbuster films that venture out into the world to capture fresh landscapes and scenery.
Some of your favorite movies, whether based on fictional realities or not, were filmed in remote locations around the world, which are definitely bucket list worthy travel destinations. Though there are many things to do in Hollywood celebrating the film industry, let's take a look on a famous locations around the world.
Central Park, New York. In the heart of New York City, Central Park has easily increased the ranks of popular filming locations. In fact, since 1908, the iconic spot has been featured in more than 100 motion pictures, from When Harry Met Sally and Breakfast at Tiffany's to Ghostbusters and Elf. With 843 arcs of green lawns, cultivated gardens, man-made creeks, and Victorian-style pavilions, are still plenty of places left to get an original shot.
Monument Valley, Arizona and Utah. The dramatic plateaus, cloud-covered canyons, and rolling meadows of Arizona and Utah's Monument Valley have been popping up in Hollywood flicks since the early 1930s. As postcard pictures representation of the American West, the region has been featured in fitting films like Stagecoach, Easy Rider, and The Lone Ranger. But you can also spot the Colorado Plateau's iconic panoramas like the Twin Buttes, the Ear of the Wind Arc, and the Totem Pole in the Forrest Gump, Thelma and Louise, and Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them.
Glencoe, Scotland. Despite the fact that Adele's Oscar award-winning Skyfall theme all but starts playing every time to glimpse an image of Glencoe, the dramatic local has played host to more than just James Bond's flicks. The Scottish Highlands' dramatic, unspoiled landscape and breathtaking natural light has drawn out famous directors from all around the world, like Mel Gibson and Alfonso Cuarón, to film projects like Monty Python and the Holy Grail, Highlander, Braveheart, and Harry Potter, and The Prisoners of Azkaban.
Ayat Ben Haddou, Morocco. This fortified Moroccan village hugs the old caravan route that connects the Sahara and Marrakesh. Although the UNESCO World Heritage Site is basically in the middle of nowhere, tourists visit the ancient city because of its film appearance, including The Mummy, Gladiator, Babel, and the especially popular HBO TV series Game of Thrones. If you're scratching your head, it stands in Yunkai, one of the 3 city-states of Slavers Bay.
Oahu, Hawaii. The title of Hollywood's tropical Go to Hawaii, and in many cases, Oahu specifically, varying landscapes, volcanic mountain ranges, lush valleys, and near vertical cliffs make it a filmmaker's dream since it's able to stand for nearly any destination be in South American rainforest, English countryside, or arid African desert. In the modern film era, Oahu has been featured in Jurassic Park and Jurassic World, The Descendants, and Forgetting Sarah Marshall.
Did you find our picks interesting? Write your comments below if we are contributing an information.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified with our next video.
Venice Beach, Los Angeles. Venice's scenic canals and bungalows, circus-like amusement piers, and eclectic architecture have made it a perennial big picture setting. Since the 50s, films like Grease, The Goonies, and The Big Lebowski have rolled into town to capture the beachfront LA neighborhoods year-round, the sun, and eccentric vibe.
Banawi Rice Terraces, Philippines. It's hard to name a corner of the world that didn't feature in the latest Avengers installment, Infinity War. Scenes from Talola Falls in Georgia, New York City, and Edinburgh in Scotland all appeared in the film. However, few could contest the beauty of Banawi Rice Terraces in the Philippines.
Bradbury Building, Los Angeles. The stately Bradbury Building in DTLA is no stranger to the big screen. Built in 1893 by Los Angeles gold mining millionaire Lewis L. Bradbury, the architectural landmark has made cameos in such popular films as The Artist, 500 Days of Summer, Blade Runner, and more. Its skylit atrium, access walkways, and ornate ironwork are unmistakable.
Petra, Jordan. The ancient city of Petra, famous for its carved rose-red sandstone facades, tombs, and temples, was turned into a world-renowned tourist attraction after appearing in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusades in 1989. Petra, one of the 7 wonders of the world, stood in for where Indiana Jones finds the Holy Grail.
Griffith Observatory, Los Angeles. Sitting on top of Mount Hollywood with panoramic views of LA, Basin, and Pacific Ocean, Griffith Observatory has earned its spot in LA's must-see bucket list. Of course, Hollywood location scouts and directors have also made much use of the commanding location. James Dean's 1955 Rebel Without a Cause actually earned the space and the Science Center its monument status, and in the years since, it served as a backdrop in other heavy hitters like The Terminator and La La Land. With what you see, you can now figure out the location of each film you watch. If you like our picks, give a thumbs up and share with your friends.
For more information about travel and world's wonder, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!